Hyderabad since the 80s. So I've worked with a lot of wonderful producers here. Here, Rajendra Prasad ji and Anjan Nehru Saab. A lot of people from here, and I always have the most amazing memories of Hyderabad. And आपका हैदराबाद का खाना तो वाह is the best.
Okay. So how this journey starting this Telugu cinema now पहले Bollywood का pressure था अब हो गया है Tollywood, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, pan India we are going. So how you take your journey in Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema? How your journey is going?
It's really fantastic because यहाँ पे I see जो हॉलीवुड में अब जो बॉलीवुड में 90s में हुआ करता था द पैशन द ड्राइव मतलब दे वांटेड टू मेक द बेस्ट you know that is what I love about working here in the south. I mean क्योंकि that mass that connection with the audience अभी तक गया नहीं है and you know is the most amazing part, the passion and what they do out here.
Okay. And any dialogue from the movie we can have it because we loved your last that dialogue with the passion. You learned anything Telugu? I mean dialogue or something or Hindi में भी चलेगा about this movie का. We love to hear
ये
that.
मतलब कि साहब ये सर है कंप्लेंट लिखो बॉडी ने मेरी अभी तक
But you learn, wow. But you learn something in Telugu? Anything? Nothing?
you know what I'm trying to learn because I'm doing one film with Prabhas also.
Oh!
So I'm doing a film called Raja Saab. आप लोगों ने प्रोमो देखा होगा.
Yes.
So I'm trying. मैं सीख रहा हूँ कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
So about Prabhas, just you said, people are eagerly to know about working with Prabhas or your interaction. How it's going on?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is he making
He's-
making you eat because every star talk about his food.
Yeah, he makes me eat a lot, Prabhas. And he's one of the most amazing, wonderful people and a great actor. Thank you. Yeah. And I love Chiranjeevi sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I love him. He's done Munna Bhai, you know,
Yeah.
out here. And I share a beautiful relation with him. God bless him.
Oh, great, great.
Hello everyone, this is Taruna from NTV. So my question to Shilpa ji. Shilpa ji, would you like to answer? Yes. So we have seen you as a fitness freak and Babato we know he's taught so many actors, inspired so many people in the audience also about fitness. So when two fitness freaks meet together, what is the conversation? What do you share? I want to know from both of you.
I see people know about my passion for fitness now. I think in the last 15 years, Baba actually started the whole trend. Sanju was one of the, I think, fittest actors back in the day when he started out. I think he taught boys what it was to, do bicep curls. And I remember when I was shooting Das with him, at that time we used to have conversations about fitness. I remember him telling me to do calf raises in the bathroom. I still remember this. I don't know if you remember this, but I remember this. He says the easiest and the quickest because we do the whole when we are training, we always neglect the calves. So the legs will look fat, but then the calves are not worked out. So he told me the trick, and I practice it even today. They say that your calves are your second heart. And the more you can do calf raises, the better it is for you. So now when I'm in the bathroom, as in when I remember, I do my calf raises. 2 sets calf raises I do in the bathroom. That's thanks to Sanju.
Sanju ji, question to you. You just now spoke about Raja Saab. I have been on the set of Raja Saab, that devilish kind of that place where you all have this Jadoo Mantar and everything. So when you are shooting, this is again a new character, that is a different character. So what you take back home from Telangana?
As I told you, I mean, I take back the passion which Bollywood has lost, comes back. And that's what I miss back home, is a passion to make a good film. It's not about numbers. Everything is about numbers back in Bollywood, but I mean, it's not about numbers. It's about passion.
शी टोल्ड अबाउट द calves. कोट है जो आप ऑडियंस से भी शेयर करना चाहोगे?
मैं यही कहना
बाथरूम में नहीं, बाहर.
मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि 70% इज योर डाइट एंड 30% इज व्हाट यू डू इन द जिम. तो अपना खाना आप सही रखेंगे तो सब सही हो जाएगा.
Reshma, my question to you.
here.
Yeah.